What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is JT Traveler and we're outside once again biking around on the ZiZZO Forte. I just biked to the Q2 Stadium in North Austin and it is a soccer stadium and it's pretty cool. Alright guys, I am so sorry about this video. First of all, the camera angles get really bad because I had the settings on this to narrow instead of wide. Second of all, the audio is kind of bad because of the wind. And then last of all is because I changed the goal from going from north to south. I just changed it to like biking around North Austin. So this video is gonna feel like more of like a compilation type of video. It's still funny and enjoyable, but it's just kind of all over the place. So hopefully you guys enjoy it still. Please like and subscribe because other videos are pretty fun as well. But let's get back to the video and hopefully you guys have a good time. Ow, guys, you can hit me in my face. You're supposed to go here. All right, here's the back of the stadium. This is close to the domain in Austin. Let's go to the front. Pretty cool building. Maybe I'll come here one day and watch a game. That would be fun. Bike around. I'm gonna cross over here so that way I don't have to do it down there again. I was coming, so I'm going. And I missed my chance. Oh, actually, there's no chance over there. We have to turn this way. Chicka, chicka, chicka. That dude's having fun, you can tell. He's having fun. Wait, how did that guy go through? How did he get through here? Oh, I guess he's off-road. It's off-road biking. Huh. Oh, wait. Oh, what's that? Is that a hawk? So it looks like that's a hawk right there, I'm not sure. Right there. There's another one right here. They're just chilling. I was thinking about upgrading my bike, not upgrading my bike, but getting a new bike, like either a 26 inch or a 29, 28, one of those bigger tire ones, because I want to do more off-roading stuff like this. And then for the city, I can use this bike. I'm looking for a folding bike too, because I do like how bikes fold. We got shopping carts. You know what I'm saying? Kick it. Oh, I missed it. Oh my goodness, what's going on over there? We got pounds of mud and dirt. I wonder if that's what Coca-Cola is made out of. I think it was the Coca-Cola trucks. I want to get to the other side of the highway and go down this way because I biked over there once and I like what I saw. So we gotta do it again. No cars. All right, let's do a little circle around this thing. Maybe we'll learn how to hop on this bike in this video. But right over there we see P. Terry's. Ooh, I need a new battery in this. That's P. Terry's home office. We love their veggie burgers. Wake up! Wake up! Dang, you guys fell asleep on me. You guys' battery must have been low. Are you okay? Man, you guys scared me for a second. Oh my goodness, glad you guys are okay. I was able to revive you just in time. All right, let's continue going. If you guys feel bad, just let me know. All right, let's continue. Well, that guy's putting in new windows. Very nice. I don't know what I'm gonna move into next after my rent is up. I have a contracted job right now and it's only for like 12 months. And I don't know if I wanna get a house, rent a house out, get a townhouse, get another apartment. I'm not too sure, but only time will tell. Thankfully there's a sidewalk right here. Do I know where I'm at? Oh yeah, I know where I'm at. Am I where I'm supposed to be? I think so. Not too sure. Yeah, because all we gotta do is get over all this highway, interstate. I don't know what you guys call them, highway, interstates. We just gotta get over that, and we'll be good. Looks like we got a dirt path to work with, so we're gonna work with it. No glass, please, no glass. Oh, oh! Looks like some bikers have been here before. I don't like this way. Let's circle back, maybe. Nah, let's just keep going. There's bike trails here, so there must be a way to get over. Ow! I just pedal strike my espinillas. Let's go back here, and hopefully there's a way to get back to a crossover. Ooh, look at that wrap. That's a nice wrap on BW. Once again, I'm sorry if the audio is bad, because the wind is like windy today, you know what I'm saying? Where am I? I don't even know where I'm at. One plus is that today started off super gloomy, and now the sky's clearing up and the sun's coming out, and it's not too bad no way. It's not too bad anymore. Here we got paper moon painting. You know, I like art. I would like a job that goes back into my field of like painting, not painting, but like graphic design, video editing, even though I'm doing YouTube. Hopefully YouTube turns into a job. That would be nice. But until then, I would like an upgrade. Thinking of going around to like marketing companies and be like, hey, my name is JT Traveler, and I'm a videographer, editor, graphic designer, painter, sculptor, what else? Photographer, biker, camper. I'm also a driver. Oh my goodness, we're back where we started. Oh, there's some cool motorcycles too. Those are cool. We're gonna wait until it's clear. But yeah, check out those motorcycles. These are nice. They're kind of smaller. It's kind of like my folding bike. They got 20-inch wheels. No! No, we almost missed it. Oh, the other one. Let's get the other one too. Burning it, burning it. Oh, where's it gonna be tight? It's gonna be a close call.
Hi, welcome to Veggie Queen.
Yeah, can I get a McVeggie?
Man.
And can I get that special sauce, please?
Go ahead and pull around for me, Veggie Queen.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
It's gonna be 97/15.
Yeah, you guys raised your prices, didn't you?
Yeah, maybe. Just like we raised the roof.
That's crazy.
You'll be ready in a second.
Okay.
Here you go, man. Everything should
okay.
be in there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, there we go. Always check the bag. Oh, they forgot my special sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh, forgot the special sauce.
Hi, welcome to Veggie Queen.
Hi, yeah, you guys forgot the special sauce.
Oh, by the Queen's Mighty. Let me get you a
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay.
Hello, I'm so
Hello.
sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I was wondering why it was like, that was more,
It
actually.
is. It's 7/15.
Okay, here you go. Cool, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome, thank you, have a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, man. An extra $50 for special sauce? Oh my goodness. But it does taste good on the McVeggie.
No.
All right, can I ride with no hands? Let's see. Let's angle this down so you guys have proof that I'm attempting. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Let's shift the gears up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Oh snap. 1, 2, 3. 1. Ha. We gotta practice that. Hey man, I just want to say thank you to everybody that watches my videos. It's actually pretty cool to see that have people watching it, tuning in. Thank you to everybody that subscribes, that comments. Are we gonna make it to the train? I want to touch it. Let's see if we can go touch this train real quick. Don't go away, train. Here I come. I wonder how close we're legally allowed to get. Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! What do you guys think? Let's get it off now. There it goes. Let's go chase it. Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't about that life. That was fun. Back on the road we go. Sip of water. I started bleeding right here. I don't know why. What's this? Cars auction. Auction for cars. Maybe impounded cars. I don't know if I should tell you this story or not. But once upon a time, allegedly, my car got towed. Allegedly. Because allegedly I parked in a space that was somebody else's spot in this apartment complex, allegedly, and basically the number for their spot was marked out. Like you couldn't see if there was a number or not, so it looked like guest parking. So I parked there. I'm a resident. I come back down, I come back down, my car's gone. I was like, who took my car? So we found out, allegedly, it was said that it was at this one junk shop and they wanted $100 or something like that to get it back. Now, if this were to have happened to me at this time on this date, I would have been a college student and had no money. So I went for a little walk to this junk place. They wanted to see my registration and stuff, but the registration was in the car. So how am I supposed to show you my registration? They said, oh, if you come here, we can walk you to the car and you can get your registration out. I'm like, whatever. So I get to the place, and mind you, this is not true, maybe. Definitely not true, maybe. But I get to the place and the gate is wide open. So I'm like, what in the world is going on? So I have my keys to my car. I go to my car and I get my registration. Short story. Oh, buddy. But anyways, gate open, me getting my registration, and me having my keys equal me not having to pay. If the same thing happened to me and somebody parked in my spot that I paid for, I wouldn't call the tow company on them. I'll give them a day to move their car. And that's what I did twice. Because I know as a college student, we don't got money like that. Let's make up this hill. I'm gonna get some water, catch my breath. We may go to the soup peddler again. It's easier to bike in the sidewalk than it is the street. There we go. I've been sitting in the office, like a room, working way too much, way too long, because I had like 2 interactions with human beings today. It just felt so weird. I need to get out more. I don't know how you 9 to 5 people that stay in the office and cubicle stare at your computer and you guys can do it for a living. That is astonishing to me. That takes a different type of drive. So I salute you. But me, can't be me. Alright. The bike is locked up. Let's go ahead and take off the accessories. Hopefully, nobody takes it. Hello. Good. Can I get the green apple mustard, and then can I get the basil pesto, grilled cheese, and then can I do let me do an 8 ounce of the tomato basil soup. Actually, let's make it a 12 ounce, my bad.
12, 9.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I got the tomato basil soup, pesto grilled cheese. That's hot. And then apple grilled cheese. So I'm gonna eat half of each one, and I'm gonna take the other half to me lady. Check that out. Woo! Woo-wee. It tastes so good when you can dip it. This is the view. You got a few cars in the way, but still a nice place to eat. I have to have a napkin when I eat. Can't eat without one. That was the apple. Delicious. About 8 out of 10. Let's try this pesto. Okay, listen. This one's pretty good too. The pesto and the provolone cheese go together really well. This right here is why you carry tools on you. I needed this to be half the size to fit into my little pouch over there. We got the goods. Let's go ahead and throw this stuff away and be on our way. This is a crazy hill. Oh! Woo! Yay! Oh, please don't open your door. Please don't open your door. Woo! Oh, look at that. That was fun. I remember when I had to bike up that hill. That wasn't so fun. Look at this place. It's gorgeous. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this ride. Go check out some more of my videos if you like this content. I have a playlist with all my Forte excursions. Yeah, this is JT Traveler. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You thought I was gonna peace out, but I didn't. This. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's a nice shot right there with the glistening little river right here. Or I guess that's a creek. It's a nice little moment. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. And adios.